Wherever there are groups and in gatherings, in such places, everybody should wear mask. Today, myself, Deputy Chief Minister, Home Minister, Health Minister, Medical Education Minister, and other officers of the Health Department, and also the members of the Technical Advisory Committee. We met today and discussed so many things. We have taken a decision that this disease, we need not be panic. People need not be panic. But precautionary measures will have to be taken. Wherever there are groups and in gatherings, in such places, everybody should wear mask. And the 60 and above years old people
with comorbidities,
and compulsorily they should wear mask. So far in Karnataka, 92 cases are found. Out of 92, 72 patients are in isolation, quarantine, home isolation. Only 20 are in the hospitals. Out of 20 patients, 7 are in ICU. They are not having the only COVID diseases, other associated diseases are there. That is why they are in the ICU. So far, 3 persons have died, not because of COVID alone. Not because of COVID alone. There are other ailments are also.
From breaking news, detailed analysis, in-depth interviews and explainers, follow the Times of India. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest.